What if I told you that transforming your health could be as simple as adding 11 specific foods to your daily routine? Stay with me until the end because the last superfood on this list might surprise you with its incredible benefits. Your journey to better health truly begins at the grocery store, not just in your kitchen. Today, we're exploring 11 natural powerhouses that can boost your energy, strengthen your immunity, and help you feel your absolute best. These aren't exotic ingredients that cost a fortune. They're accessible foods with scientifically backed benefits that can make a real difference in your life. Let's dive into the first superfood that nutritionists consider one of the most complete foods on our planet. Spirulina is a tiny blue-green algae that packs an extraordinary nutritional punch. This microscopic organism contains an impressive array of proteins, essential amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and trace elements. What makes spirulina truly special is its omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid content, which support heart health and brain function. It also contains phycocyanin, a complex protein with powerful detoxifying properties that help your body eliminate harmful substances. Another compound found in spirulina called phenylalanine plays a crucial role in appetite regulation, making it useful for those managing their weight. Moving on to our second superfood, ginger is far more than just a flavorful spice for your kitchen. This knobby root has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, and modern science has confirmed its remarkable properties. Ginger acts as a natural antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory agent, making it a true warrior for your immune system. During cold and flu season, incorporating ginger into your diet through teas or meals can provide significant protection. As an added bonus, ginger facilitates digestion and reduces uncomfortable gas and bloating. Whether you use it fresh, dried, or powdered, ginger offers consistent health benefits that are hard to ignore. The third superfood on our list is green tea, a beverage that has been cherished in Asian cultures for centuries. Green tea is widely recognized for its detoxifying and antioxidant properties, which help protect your cells from damage. What many people don't realize is that green tea also accelerates your metabolism, providing gentle support for weight management goals. The catechins found in green tea have been studied extensively and shown to promote fat burning, especially during physical activity. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can provide these benefits without the jittery side effects of coffee. Next up is aloe vera, a succulent plant that offers far more than just sunburn relief. When consumed as juice or gel, aloe vera becomes a true fountain of youth for your body. This natural food is loaded with vitamins and contains 7 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and slow down the aging process at a cellular level. For those with digestive issues, aloe vera acts as a healing agent for the stomach lining, making it particularly helpful for gastritis. It also possesses antihistamine properties, which can provide relief for those suffering from allergies. Our fifth superfood is the golden spice known as turmeric, a staple in Indian cuisine. Turmeric is one of the most powerful, natural anti-inflammatory substances available to us. It's useful both for treating existing conditions and preventing future health problems from developing. Whether you're dealing with tendinitis, sprains, allergies, or digestive system inflammation, turmeric can help. Integrating this spice into your meals can accelerate healing and reduce your risk of chronic inflammatory conditions. Here's an important tip. To activate turmeric's beneficial properties, you must combine it with black pepper and a source of healthy fat like olive oil. The sixth superfood might be unfamiliar to many, but blonde psyllium is worth getting to know. This plant is sold in powder form and provides remarkable relief for sensitive intestines. Psyllium acts as a regulator of intestinal function, working differently than harsh laxatives that can damage your gut. When consumed with water, psyllium swells and acts as an internal lubricant for your digestive system. Unlike traditional laxatives, it doesn't irritate the delicate mucous membranes of your intestines. Psyllium is versatile enough to address both diarrhea and constipation, making it a balanced solution for digestive health. Moving to our seventh superfood, goji berries are small red fruits that deliver impressive nutritional value. These berries contain 13% protein, which is remarkable for a fruit. They're also extremely rich in vitamin C, providing more of this essential nutrient than many citrus fruits. As a source of powerful antioxidants, goji berries help protect your body from oxidative stress and cellular damage. Regular consumption of goji berries can help regulate cholesterol levels and maintain healthy blood pressure. You can add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or eat them as a snack throughout the day. The eighth superfood is one you probably already have in your pantry: honey. For sweetening your porridge, beverages, and yogurt, nothing beats the natural goodness of honey. Unlike stevia and artificial sweeteners that are heavily processed, honey provides essential minerals in their natural form. Honey is a powerful ally against colds and respiratory infections, especially during winter months. It boosts your immune defenses, soothes sore throats, and provides a calming effect on the body. Choose raw, unfiltered honey for maximum health benefits and avoid highly processed varieties. Flax seeds are our ninth superfood, and they're both affordable and incredibly easy to incorporate into your cooking. These tiny seeds can enhance both savory and sweet dishes, from salads and pasta to porridge and baked goods. The standout feature of flax seeds is their exceptional omega-3 fatty acid content, essential fats your body needs but cannot produce. Flax seeds are also rich in soluble fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. They possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help manage conditions like asthma and eczema. Here's a crucial detail: you must grind flax seeds before eating them, or they'll pass through your digestive system undigested, wasting their benefits. The 10th superfood is humble parsley, an herb that deserves more recognition than just a plate garnish. Parsley is rich in iron and calcium, two minerals that are essential for bone health and oxygen transport in the blood. This herb functions as both an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent, helping to combat skin problems and strengthen immunity. Parsley stimulates digestion and helps your body process food more efficiently. Research suggests that regular consumption of parsley may protect the liver and intestines from certain types of cancer. Add fresh parsley generously to salads, soups, and main dishes to reap its many benefits. Finally, our 11th superfood is the beloved banana, a fruit that combines convenience with outstanding nutrition. Bananas are breakfast and snack superstars for good reason, offering quick energy and sustained satisfaction. Their richness in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium makes them perfect for athletes and active individuals. Potassium in bananas helps regulate blood pressure and supports proper muscle function during exercise. Bananas are also high in vitamin C, boosting your immune system and promoting healthy skin. They contain probiotic bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome and improve digestive function. The natural sugars in bananas provide immediate energy, while the fiber ensures a steady release without blood sugar spikes. Remember that optimal health isn't just about eating well, it also requires regular physical activity tailored to your fitness level. These 11 superfoods work best when combined with movement, adequate sleep, stress management, and staying properly hydrated. Start by adding one or two of these foods to your diet this week, then gradually incorporate more as you discover what works best for your body. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.